Welcome to Dbms class. Now we are going to discuss about the classification of Dbms. So Dbms classified based on the number of users, database storage location, types of data stored, and extent of use and their application. So database management systems are classified as a various types like this. So here first one is a desktop database. So desktop database means this database can be used by only one user in personal computer. So at a time only one user can access this database. So example for desktop database is MS Access. So next coming into second database, workgroup database. So this database can be accessed by the less than 50 users, or any database can be accessed by a particular department within an organization is called as a workgroup database. So next third one is enterprise database. So when the database is accessed by more than 50 users at a time, or entire organization can access the database, so then the type of database is called as an enterprise database. So next fourth one, centralized database. So centralized database means the data can be stored in a central computer and accessed by all the users. So the type of database is called as a centralized database. So next one, distributed database. So when the data is stored in different computers in different sites, so and that data can be accessed by different users at a time. So the type of database is called as a distributed database. So operational database. So operational database is nothing but so these database are used to store the company's day-to-day operations. So and it is also called as a transactional databases or business databases. So next data warehouse databases. So data warehouse database stores the large amount of data and it generates the quality of information. So this quality of information can be used to take tactical and static decisions within an organization. So next eighth one, structured database. So structured database stores the result of processed unstructured data. So next unstructured database. So unstructured database stores the data in which way the data is collected, that is unformatted way the data will be stored. So next one, internet database. So internet database can be accessed by the users with the help of the web browser interfaces. So next one, intranet database. So intranet database accessed by only authorized persons who are registered with the companies like suppliers and customers. So extranet database. So extranet database uses the internet technology to access the data. So here only authorized users can access the data. So entirely database approaches are classified based on the number of users, storage locations, processing type, and format of the data, and extent of the use and their technologies. So here desktop database supports only one user can access the data, example MS Access. So workgroup database means so when the particular department within an organization can access the data, that is called workgroup database. So enterprise database means so when the entire organization can access the data, then that is called enterprise database. Centralized database means so when the data is stored in one computer that can be accessed by all the users within an organization is called as a centralized database. Distributed database means when the database is stored in different computers over a networking and accessed by all the users, that is called distributed database. So operational database is nothing but so when the database is used to store the company's day-to-day operations or transactions is or called as a operational database, and it is also called as a business database or operational database or transactional database. So next one, data warehouse database. So data warehouse database stores a large amount of data. It is used to generate the quality of information. So this quality of information can be used to take the better static decisions within an organization. So next, structured database means the result of a unstructured data or formatting of a unstructured data is called as a structured database. Unstructured database means so this database contains the data in which formatted the data is collected from physically. So next, internet database means so this database can be accessed by the users by using web browser interfaces on the screen. So next, internet database means so this database is only accessed by the authorized persons within an organization. So example for internet database is suppliers, customers. So next, extended database means so this database uses the internet technology, so the only authorized persons can access the database. So thank you.